On behalf of Sun Publishing Limited, I will like to give Man of the Year, although it's a woman. It's a woman, Man of the Year 2024, given on the first day of March 2025. I would like our national chairman, Alhaji Ganduje, to assist me to give this award to our fellow man. This is Man of the Year. We're all men here. I didn't see any woman here. So.
Yes, what a man can do, a woman can do much, much better. So, Man of the Year, we congratulate you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Excellencies, the Royal Fathers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. May I stand on the existing protocol? First, I want to appreciate the board and the management of Sun newspaper for this award. They say it's the Man of the Year award. And I asked them, I said, why? Because I told them, I said, Trump said that they have only two genders, female and male. And that if Trump calls me and says, you look like a woman, but they said you're a Man of the Year, I would just call the management of Sun to go and answer. Because for me, chicken is not my problem. But when I now asked, and they said, for what we, both of us, have achieved in the male-dominated industry, was something remarkable. So, the fact that we are recognized after all these years of going, working so hard, we are humbled and are very, very appreciative of this recognition. What they have done is to make us to work even harder, to be able to be a role model to other women, where we are telling other women that you don't need to look at who you are, because God created all of us with a vision that is inbuilt in all of us. Your job is to discover and know who you are and to be fearless, because for me, the word impossibility does not exist in my book. If you tell me something is impossible, you are now gingering me. I will prove to you that it's possible. So I'm telling every woman that is here and every man that is here, because now it's no longer I'm man and a woman put together, that we should work extraordinarily harder to be able to rebuild our nation and make it a country that even the European world, the foreign countries will want to come in here and then do business with us. So I want to thank each and every one of you here. A lot of you have supported me in particular. A lot of you, because you say that I'm troublesome, you're hindering me to do more. So I want to thank all of you. More importantly, I want to thank my family, my husband, Mr. Emmanuel Ifejika, and my children, because if they do not give me the support that I need, I will not be able to be where I am today. Today you're talking about the first female owner-operator of an oil industry, not in Nigeria, not in West Africa, around the world. So, and we want to thank our governor standing by me. It means so much. That shows that not only am I recognized in my state, in my homeland, in Lagos and the whole of the country. So I want to thank each and every one of you. You are making me to now have sleepless nights, because we are going to now triple what we've done. And then we are going to tell you now, all you men, we are going to put all of you in the other room.